Hey everyone, John Henry here, Slingshot Futures Trading Group. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Before we start, take a second to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to click the notification bell icon so you don't miss our next live stream or next video launch here on YouTube every day. Make sure you start your day off the right way. Don't forget your free morning brief that's waiting for you at ssftg.com/brief. In the top left, you can click on morning brief to jump into that. That's where you'll find all of our major DP levels right up here at the top, as well as a quick technical overview for the major 6 markets that we look at: the NASDAQ, the S&P, you've got gold, crude oil, the euro, as well as Bitcoin. Maybe you're looking to get a full game plan for the day, week, or month. Check out the join button below. Level 1 subs get a brand new members only video every single morning going over the major 6 markets and a game plan for the day. In addition to that, once a week I launch a weekly brief, and of course once a month we have our monthly brief as well. Of course, all members gain access to our private Discord chat server, and if you really want to get into the nitty-gritty, check out the live analysis room for level 2 subs, where you can see my screens in real time during the New York Stock Exchange Open. You can ask questions and interact with the other members, as well as bounce ideas off myself and everyone else. It's a fantastic environment, and I would love to see you in there. All right, and now on to the really fun stuff, the topic for today.
Bulls trying to get a bit more continuation to the upside. Now remember, this is the zone of interest. This is where you want to see buyers stepping up to the plate. So we're looking for some type of repetitious patterning. Got an L2 into an L1 into an L2. I wouldn't necessarily mind an L2, right? That'd be a rep L2 on a pullback towards like the 27s or so. Looking at risk rewards, that's not a good enough. That's a good enough entry point, though. I like this spot. That's a beautiful pullback. Upside objective is going to be back towards the highs. Man, it just screamed right through that zone, though, huh? Like to see if we can get a rotation back up above this area here, but I'm not interested in hanging out anymore. I'm out. That pop was good enough. It didn't follow through the way that I wanted it to. I mean, it did bounce. You got the bounce, but when I'm buying into it, I wanted to see here hold, and you could see it gap down underneath the zone that I wanted it to not break. So, well, that was a little bit of a shaky one, but we're still in the zone of interest, right? We're getting some nice pullback areas. We just held an L3, so now the likelihood is to hold an L1. So I want to buy an L1 pullback. Maybe acceptable to an L2, but the upside objective is going to be at the highs. So NASDAQ is long, looking for 12. Well, there you go, right there to the target. Bingo bango. All right, easy enough. But that's what you expect to see, right? This is not what I wanted to see. This didn't play ball. So I jumped out. In hindsight, it would have been better if I just left the order on the table, but that hindsight account always grows. It always goes up. It never goes down, right? As far as the upside objective continuation, though, we had a nice L3 bounce. The L3 bounce into a BL3, nice L1 continuation. Everything's following through now. The only thing that we're missing now is a little bit more of a pullback like an L2. An L2 would be nice, but I'm just not so sure it's going to get it.